I'm reaching for the remote. It's kind of funny because is it my new vlog signature move? I think so. So that I feel like this is my first official vlog. It's just seeming more like normal where I look crazy and I'm on camera. I've just been struggling. January was just a really weird, out of body, stressful, weird month for me. I said weird twice. And yeah, I don't know. I think mixed in with being tired and everything, I just did not want to be on camera that much. But here I am, and I want to kind of clean up. The situation in the house is still that I don't have my couch. I actually have it scheduled for next week, so I'm very excited about that. It actually is coming sooner than I thought because when I originally placed the order, it said 2 to 3 weeks, and next week will be barely 2 weeks, I think. I really don't know, but somewhere in that ballpark. You probably saw in a previous vlog that I got the ottoman, and I'm still holding back, waiting to buy this chair that I want for the living room because I need to see how big this sectional is going to be. First thing that I just would like to do, because I really don't know where any of this is headed, I do need to go to the grocery store. I want to go to the grocery store and get my own groceries rather than do a pickup this time, because I just want to get some steak, and I think I want to pick out some like bath products myself, you know. So so I'm hoping that I'm gonna find something in me that wants to go to the grocery store. I do not like going to the grocery store. Anyway, first thing I want to do is clean my bedroom, vacuum, the normal stuff. Just because this house is different doesn't actually mean that my routines change at all. I love a good routine. I'm gonna grab the tripod and we're gonna get going. So before I actually get started on cleaning, I wanted to quickly show you guys that I'm placing an order on Forever 21 for these 2 dresses. I want to wear more dresses this summer. I have this habit, I don't know how it started, but I like to have my skin completely covered up because I don't like cold air to touch it. I know. Comment down below if you're anything like that. I don't know when this started, but even in the summertime, I will grab for sweaters, which is crazy. But anyway, I'm gonna try to work my my habit out of that. So anyway, but I also want to wear more dresses, and I think these 2 are so cute. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and place this order first, and then we'll go ahead and get to cleaning. But I wanted to show you guys what they look like. I really love this black dress too because I love wearing like my white sneakers, which if you watch my videos a lot, you probably noticed that. And I think that this dress would be cute with white sneakers. I think this one would be cute with white sneakers too, and Converse. Now we're just kind of talking about fashion, but yeah, I'm gonna order this, and I'm going through Ebates. I just want to point that out because Forever 21 is 4% cash back. So I wanted to show you guys, it was 2%. I've never known Forever 21 to be 4. In the years that I've done Ebates, it's always been 2. So I'm super excited that it's 4%. It's literally free. This is not like a sponsored video at all. I do have a sign up link, but it's just because it is real. It works. There's 0 gimmicks, and I've gotten so much money back from going through Ebates first. But anyway, so I wanted to show you guys that I'm gonna click on this first. It will take me to Forever 21, and then it creates like this ticket in the background. And then, yeah, so I'm super excited. So are Lara bars any good? Comment and let me know if these are any good and which one I should go for. So I don't know, which one do you prefer? Because I've never actually tried any of these. Wow. Holy crap. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and dive in, show you guys what I got at Kroger. And I got some bananas, garlic. I'm gonna make a steak dinner tonight, so I got some things that I needed for that. Sweet onion. I got some jalapenos. I actually needed these when I picked up some stuff at Walmart for my chili, but they didn't have them. So I got those. I'll probably make the chili tomorrow. And then raspberries are my new favorite fruit. I could eat this whole thing in one sitting. I'm obsessed with raspberries now. And then I got some broccoli for the steak dinner. I got some simple cut green leaf lettuce for this purpose exactly right here to put in my sandwiches. So I love those. And I got some tomatoes also for my sandwiches. So for that, and then I got some new bread. I don't know, comment, let me know if you I've gotten Nature's Own before, but I've never gotten the thick sliced white. And I do prefer white bread, but it does say never any artificial preservatives, colors, or flavors, and no high fructose corn syrup. So that doesn't mean that it's perfect and the healthiest, but at least the no high fructose corn syrup, that's a good one to not have. So I'm gonna give that a try with my sandwich. And then I got my Chobani drinkable yogurts, the strawberry banana. So I got a couple of those, or 4 of those. Love those. And this I'm super excited about. I was just like, what? The Panera sells their stuff at the grocery store. So I got the broccoli cheddar soup. This was $8.99. So hopefully it's as good as the fresh one, you know, that you pick up. Then I got, if you don't like meat, probably won't need to look at this next clip, but I got some skirt steak. It's probably one of my favorite cuts. So I got that to make for dinner. And then I got some ground beef for my chili. And my favorite part of the whole haul are these candles. They were $5.99. Look how huge they are. They were on sale. They were originally $9.99. I got 2 of them. This one is creamy coconut, which I honestly surprised myself with the 2 that I picked out, because usually there were some other scents that like are my go-tos, and I went completely different than I normally do. I got soothing eucalyptus. This smells so beautiful. And this creamy coconut really surprised me. So yeah, so anyways, that's basically it. That's all I got. I pretty much went there for my dinner for tonight. And then I knew I wanted some fruit. Oh, and I also got a case of ginger ale, but I left it in the car.